The dream of the ultimate all-in-one computer never truly disappeared. It simply retreated into the background, waiting for the right moment to return with overwhelming force. For years, creative professionals were pushed into a corner, forced to choose between raw power and elegant simplicity. If you wanted serious performance, you had to accept a fragmented setup, a powerful desktop unit paired with an external display, cables snaking across your desk, power bricks cluttering your workspace, and a constant reminder that the clean, unified vision of computing had been abandoned. The idea of a single machine that could deliver uncompromising performance without sacrificing design felt like a relic of the past. But now, that era of compromise is coming to an end. The whispers that once circulated quietly through supply chains have grown louder, transforming into something impossible to ignore. A new machine is on the horizon, and it is not just an iteration or a minor upgrade. It represents a complete rethinking of what an all-in-one desktop can be. This is not about slapping a Pro label onto existing hardware. This is about building something from the ground up that challenges the very definition of a professional workstation. A 32-inch powerhouse is emerging, designed to dominate not only in performance but also in presence. It is a machine that demands attention the moment it sits on your desk. For anyone deeply invested in creative work, whether it's filmmaking, 3D rendering, advanced software development, or even cutting-edge AI experimentation, this changes everything. If you have been considering purchasing a high-performance desktop setup recently, it might be time to pause and reconsider. Because what is coming next is not just another option in the lineup, it is potentially the new standard. The integration of power and display into a single, seamless unit is being redefined in a way that could make traditional setups feel outdated almost overnight. One of the most striking aspects of this new machine is its display. Moving beyond the limitations of smaller screens, the shift to a 32-inch panel represents more than just an increase in size. It signifies a transformation in how professionals interact with their work. Screen real estate is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Whether you are editing complex timelines, managing multiple workflows simultaneously, or visualizing intricate designs, having a larger canvas directly translates to greater efficiency and creative freedom. A 32-inch display does not just give you more space. It changes how you think, how you organize, and how you execute your ideas. But size alone is not the real story. The technology behind the display is where things become truly exciting. With mini LED panels capable of extreme brightness levels and incredible contrast ratios, the visual experience reaches a level that was previously reserved for high-end external monitors. This means professionals can finally work on HDR content in its full glory without needing additional equipment. The clarity, color accuracy, and depth offered by such a display create an environment where what you see is exactly what you get. It removes the guesswork and allows for a level of precision that is essential for high-end production work. Beyond the display, the real heart of this machine lies in its processing power. The next generation of silicon is expected to push boundaries in ways that redefine performance expectations. Handling massive workloads, such as multiple streams of high-resolution video or complex simulations, becomes effortless. Tasks that once required patience and careful optimization can now be executed in real time. This is not just about speed, it is about unlocking new possibilities. When your machine can keep up with your creativity without hesitation, the entire workflow transforms. Ideas can be explored more freely, iterations can happen faster, and the gap between concept and execution narrows significantly. Looking back, there was a time when a certain all-in-one professional desktop captured the hearts of creatives around the world. It was initially introduced as a temporary solution, but it quickly became a favorite due to its balance of power and elegance. When it disappeared, it left behind a void that was never truly filled. The smaller, more consumer-oriented machines that followed served their purpose, but they were never designed to handle the demands of high-end professional work. They excelled at everyday tasks, but when pushed beyond their limits, they revealed their true nature. The upcoming machine aims to correct that imbalance and restore what was lost. This new generation is not just an upgrade, It is an apology to professionals who have been waiting patiently for a return to form. It acknowledges that there is a demand for a machine that does not force users to choose between aesthetics and performance. It recognizes that professionals deserve a tool that is as powerful as it is elegant, as capable as it is simple to use. By bringing everything together into a single, cohesive unit, it eliminates the need for compromises that have defined the past several years. Another important factor to consider is how this shift impacts the broader landscape of desktop computing. If an all-in-one machine can deliver performance that rivals or even surpasses traditional modular systems, it raises an important question about the future of those systems. Why deal with the complexity of multiple components when a single device can achieve the same results with greater efficiency and a cleaner setup? This does not necessarily mean the end of modular desktops, but it certainly challenges their dominance in the professional space. As we move further into an era where efficiency, performance, and design must coexist, the return of a true all-in-one powerhouse feels inevitable. The technology has finally caught up with the vision, making it possible to create something that was once considered unattainable. The combination of a large, high-quality display and cutting-edge processing power in a single device represents the culmination of years of innovation and refinement. In the end, this is more than just a new product. It is a statement about the direction of computing. It signals a shift back toward simplicity without sacrificing capability. It reminds us that the best tools are not just powerful, but also intuitive and beautifully integrated into our workflows. For professionals who have been waiting for a reason to believe in the all-in-one concept again, this might just be the moment they have been anticipating.